Hello everybody, Houston here for another Xdce update. I hope you guys are having a great day or a great night. And before jumping into the charts, don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe as well. Let's go. So this is going to be a quick update because we didn't have too much change since my last video. And what I'm going to show you, it's why the bears is still in control. A second. So first I'm going to make my draw here, and then we jump into the 4 hours. Second. Hold your hats, cool your jets. As you guys know, we always work the charts from the scratch. Okay, so now I'll jump into the 4 hours because it will be more clear. Okay, so just a second. Okay, so why the bears are in control? So like I said back in the day, this was a straight bullish pattern that the bulls were developing here, but then they lost the hand here and FOMO and greed kicked in. With corrective moves that was not bullish at all, and we start and from a bullish pattern it turns to be a bearish one. Okay, as you guys can see, there is a lot of sellers pressure against buyers pressure. Okay, and this is a sign of weakness because the support and resistance traders, they look at the left and they see, well, we bounced it from here, so I'm going to buy at the same range. That's one of the reasons they draw boxes. Just a second. Okay, so they make draws like this. It's like a range where they are going to buy, okay, or sell. And so by doing this, they are giving more firepower to the bears because they don't have enough strength to keep pushing up. And that's why we are ending with all these uh, lower highs with a high gap on price. And let me see here. So here we had the same kind of move that we had here, ascending and corrective without strength. And now again, sign of weakness that favors the ones in control, that are the bears so far. But even though you can say, well, but we still trading inside the previous candle. Yes, it is true. Let me show you. So yes, we are still trading inside the previous bullish candle, but we had a big shadow, almost 75% shadow on that candle, and followed by 50% rejection. So it's not all the way bullish, can be 50%, but 50% here for this kind of move, it's not enough. Okay, so just a second. The bears know the bulls are watching for this level right here, and they are going to defend the next higher low, okay, because they believe they still can turn the odds into their favor. But the problem is, like I said, they don't have the proper firepower to keep pushing up. So or they make their way up again and blast the previous high, which is a lower high, or they are going to go for another lower high. I mean higher low, sorry. This is our first low, higher low, and another higher low. And so this is going to be the point. Let me make a better draw here. Okay, it's going to be around this range right here. Yes. And so here is what may happen. Also, we are not only looking for Xdce, okay? For example, on this pair right here, it's Xdce against US dollar, which means if we have a strong dollar, Xdce will be weak against dollar. And the same follows for all the other coins and pairs as well. So it's not it's not like the price is displayed in that currency. It's not around that. So around 90% of everybody out there has no clue about it. And this is key for understanding the behavior as well. Okay, so let's continue. So if we end up here with another higher low, like I said, this is going to be 100% bearish, but the late bulls and the ones who are buying this level, they still believe that it will be possible to keep going. Okay, but the thing here is, like I said, from a bullish pattern, we turn it to a bearish one. Okay, and the direction of the leg changes everything. Okay, everything. And if you don't update yourself with the price behavior, you will keep looking at it the wrong way. Okay, forgive me about my English, it's not my native language. So let's go. Let's jump into the 1 hour. So as you guys can see, there is nothing bullish here, nothing at all, at all. Look at all these rejections. So that's not bullish. And also again, like this. So this is we can call consolidation or bearish continuation, okay? Because as you guys can see, after the rejections, the bulls lost their firepower, and we kept trading sideways, which is a sign of weakness. And so as you guys can see, we dump, corrective move, mirrored move, continuation, and so far there is no sign of bullish activity, and that's the level they are watching for. The bulls. And the thing here, just a second. Okay. So here, remember, we can't call for new highs compared with the previous ones because we don't have technical evidence for such. And also, bearish structures don't give bullish targets, okay? So this is something like a law. And yeah, so let's say we go down here and then bang, 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 oh, it's bullish, still a lower high. And the same way the bulls wait for these levels, the bears wait at these levels, as you guys can see. So even if they make their way through here, you see all this move up demands momentum and money, and so they will spend a lot of money and momentum to reach a resistance, which is still a lower high, and the bears are waiting here without doing anything. They're just waiting. And to be honest, they are waiting, in my opinion, they will be waiting way below, okay, because they don't want 100% retrace around this level here, okay? Because if we measure one range to the other, so this would be like 80% retrace to almost 100% retrace. So it's 88 in the bottom. If we switch the Fibonacci to measure the other side, like I already showed you, they are going to hit in the same range at 80% from the top, okay? So that's how the bulls and the bears are watching for it. And as you guys can see, just a second. So as you guys can see, the range is tightening. It's becoming closer and closer and closer to a final outcome. And like I said, if the bulls are not able to blast this level right here, we are going to have a bar break, and I'm going to show you a possible target, maybe 2 targets. Just a second. So for a bar break here, just a second, I will have to make another draw, and I will need the daily. Okay, so this is what I will do, just a second. As you guys know, my Fibonacci setup doesn't work here on the site, so I have to do it from the scratch, okay? Just a second. So this level right here, maybe a little below. Yes, so this level here, it's the 50% level, which can be a healthy retrace. Otherwise, we are going for, it's not here. Yes, somewhat here. So otherwise, we are going to 61. And even though a retrace, a strong retrace to this level here, it's still all the way bullish. Okay, don't get concerned about excuse me, about bullish continuation retraces. And then you say, well, that's a big fall. Why is this bullish? Because we still have the upper hand for a higher low right here. And so what happens? The bears will have to spend a lot of money and firepower to end up at a key level that only a few people are looking for. And then from this range right here, that's where the magic is going to happen. Because from here, we don't have to beat the previous one. That's not the idea. Or not even make a double top, which is not the objective, not our goal. The idea is to ease off the bears, make a lower high, let their jump in, chase the 50 again, and then squeeze the bears and make and go for the same methodology to take out the previous all-time highs. Okay, so this is what the smart bulls are looking for. Just a second, please. Yeah, so now let's talk about the targets for a possible bear break here. So it can happen in 2 steps. Okay, let me use a different color here. Okay, so okay, for the first step, we are talking about a fall around this level here, which will give us this range. And so this range can be enough or not. Okay, as you guys can see, it's very close to the previous structure. And for a second step, that's the ones that we just talked about. That can be for the 50, or for the 61. And a move right here could be like let me see the proper word to explain it. It would be like 3 steps, okay? Because from this one right here, we are going to have some people buy for sure. And if we end up without continuation, like fading again, we drop to the previous one, which is the 50. And if they are not able to breach the previous highs, again, the same methodology, we are going to the 61, which is the house of the bulls, okay, which is around the 15 range, if I'm not wrong. Yes, 13, 14. So my draw is not 100% accurate for Fibonacci, but yes, that's the range we are looking for. Just a second. Yes, so it if we take a little above and a little below, from around 15, 16 to 14 and 13. Okay, also the 12 is a strong level, but I don't believe we are going to ever reach it again. Okay, although it's possible, but very, very unlikely. So guys, I believe I covered everything for this update. I'll keep tracking to see what's happening. And yeah, let me take a quick look on the chat. Just a second, please. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Okay, so Adrian XRP. No, I'm not a master at all. Please don't call me that. I'm just an average guy. Streams this week. Yes, we need a lot of updates. Also, Digibyte is on fire today with the Coinbase news. Well, I had no idea about it, but that's great for the Digibyte community. Adrian, hello Houston, Crypto Mike. I will buy back in around the 2 range. Well, you are presuming it's going back to 2. That's the thing. It's not a target just because we wanted it to be. Okay, like I say in all my videos, it's all about math and not about support and resistance levels. Watch out. Theta might just be bullish after all. I never watched this token or coin, have no idea. Vincent Wilson. Are you the true Vincent Wilson? You are old school, my friend. I hope Xdce goes to $1, €1 this year. Maybe. Perhaps we have a schedule in the Champions Club for crypto, and I'm somewhat in a balance, between the autumn, the winter, or between the before the spring into 2021. I don't know yet, but yeah, let's keep watching. Jace, thank you for your time and presentation. You're very welcome. Future boy, hello my friend. All good, I hope. Yes. Realization of man. Hello my friend. Mid 20 Doomer. 2 is where I am looking. Yeah, you guys have to do the math. Okay, you have to find the proper levels that are tied with bullish continuation patterns. Okay, that's what matters. That there are specific levels, not the levels we want or we like. That's not how it works. It's, for example, we end up with all those bearish patterns because people are saying such things. I'm going to buy at this range because it's cheap and it looks like it's going up. It's the same kind of mistake all over. Chris, what's your long-term projections on Xdce? You can take a look on one of my previous videos for Xdce. I talked about it. Crypto Elf, buy silver. No, don't buy silver. Metals are going down. XRP bags, thank you. You're welcome. Johnny Gree, great stuff. Thanks. You're welcome. Yura, hi Houston. What if the whole crypto market is flooded with new money. Can XDC go moon right from here, ignoring the structure and patterns, etc.? Yes, it is possible. Everything is possible, but there is a thing. I was talking about such things with a friend yesterday. If the money, remember that there are specific rules for everything, okay? If the smart money is going to leave stocks because stocks are going down, the hedge funds, they can't enter with more than 1% into risky assets. So it's not a lot of money. It's not like a flood, okay? So there are rules for everything. For example, they are not going to buy gold now or precious metals because we are on the top, and we also have a evening star, if I'm not wrong. So it's the lack of momentum for continuation. Nothing's going to keep going up straight. And another thing, if the smart money is to leave the stock market to join to buy or long crypto, crypto is traded against the dollar and the dollar is going up. So why they are going to bet against a strong dollar? Doesn't make any sense, okay? But yes, the dollar is going to how can I say, is going to fade just like crypto is doing. Crypto is retracing a little. It's the last leg down, wave E, before the measurable break. And the dollar is moving in the other side. So the dollar is going up now, bang, 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 bang. When the dollar stop and get ready to go down for his last leg, that's when crypto are going to explode. Okay, so this is the Champions Club schedule. We have some ranges for this kind of activity and behavior, and so far we are accurate, not by the hours or the day, but we are accurate on the bigger time frame. The last one, we were waiting for moves around May 12, 14, and it's not like we were wrong, okay, because we are talking about very, very complex things. So, and when it comes to the dollar, it's even more complex because every technical analysis in the dollar, it's like twice as hard. So it's very complicated stuff, but we were accurate around 3 weeks and 4 or 5 days. So yes, we are doing great so far. Hi Crypto Mike, hope you're good, man. Love your channel. How can I join the Champions Club? You can send me a message on Twitter and tag me. I will send you the details via direct message. So guys, this is it. Don't forget to hit the like button. We have 16 people watching and only 8 likes. That's not fair. We are exchanging here, don't forget it. So guys, this is it. Thanks for your time, thanks for your patience. I will see if I can make a vet update today and even maybe link. So yeah, there's a lot of things to do. I'm running out of time here. If I'm not able to do in a few minutes, I will do late night. Okay, so thanks again for your time, thanks for your patience, thanks for your support, and I'm going to see you guys soon. Have a great day. Thank you guys, thank you. Don't forget, I will see you guys soon. Thank you.